What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you are in the middle of planning your next ultimate PC build, or if you have been patiently holding out for that one massive upgrade to finally achieve true, no compromise 4K gaming, then you need to stop whatever you're doing and pay close attention to this video. Today, we are taking an incredibly detailed, comprehensive look at an absolute titan of a graphics card. I am talking about the highly anticipated brand new MSI Gaming RTX 508016 SUPRIM SOC. This is not just a standard generational step up. This is a monumental leap forward in graphical processing power. Fully driven by the groundbreaking NVIDIA Blackwell architecture. If you are tired of having to compromise by lowering your in-game graphical settings just to keep a stable 60 frames per second, or if you are a professional content creator, dealing with massive video timelines and complex 3D renders that take hours to export, you really need to hear what this specific card brings to the table. And before we get into the deep dive, I want to mention that if at any point during this video you decide that this is the exact graphics card you want to put in your own rig, I have placed a direct Amazon affiliate link right at the very top of the description below. Clicking that link is the easiest way to check the current pricing, check availability, and grab it for your desktop. And it really helps support the channel, so thank you so much in advance for that. Let us start by looking at the beating heart of this absolute powerhouse, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics coprocessor. But to really understand what makes this GPU so special, we have to talk about the revolutionary architecture it is built upon. We have officially entered the era of NVIDIA Blackwell. If you thought the previous generation was impressive, Blackwell completely rewrites the fundamental rules of efficiency, raw compute performance, and artificial intelligence integration. This architecture was meticulously designed from the ground up to handle the most incredibly demanding ray tracing calculations and AI-driven workloads without even breaking a sweat. When you are gaming with a Blackwell-powered graphics card, you are experiencing dynamic lighting, highly complex shadows, and real-time reflections that mimic the real world with a level of accuracy that is almost terrifying. It provides a level of immersion that we have literally never had access to before in the consumer market. Every single frame is rendered with breathtaking precision, making virtual worlds look closer to reality than ever before. But of course, MSI did not just take the standard NVIDIA Blackwell chip and slap a basic cooler on it. Oh, absolutely not. This is the SUPRIM SOC edition. For those who might not know, the SUPRIM line represents the absolute pinnacle of MSI's engineering and design capabilities. The letters SOC stand for System-on-Chip Factory Overclocks that have been pushed to the absolute limit. It means MSI has cherry-picked the highest quality silicon available and meticulously tuned it for what they rightfully call extreme performance. Right out of the box, without you having to touch a single software slider, this specific GPU features a truly staggering GPU clock speed of 2,760 MHz. I really want you to let that number sink in for a second. 2,760 MHz. That massive factory overclock means you are getting maximum frame rates the exact second you boot up your favorite game, completely eliminating the need to spend your valuable time manually tweaking voltages, testing stability, or adjusting fan curves in. MSI has already done all of the incredibly heavy lifting for you, giving you an elite, plug-and-play experience that guarantees top-tier performance on day one. Next-generation GDDR7 memory. Having a massive raw clock speed is fantastic, but a GPU needs to access data instantaneously to prevent frame drops and micro-stuttering. This brings us to one of the most highly anticipated and exciting upgrades featured on the RTX 5080, the memory configuration. This MSI SUPRIM graphics card is fully packed with 16 GB of next-generation GDDR7 graphics RAM. Yes, you heard me correctly, GDDR7. We've moved past older standards, and the resulting performance jump is genuinely mind-blowing. Running on a wide 256-bit memory interface, this ultra-fast video RAM operates at an astonishing memory clock speed of 30 GHz. Why does a 30 GHz memory clock and 16 GB of GDDR7 matter to a gamer or creator? It's for texture loading, high-resolution gaming, and massive datasets. Modern AAA games are now shipping with incredibly large, uncompressed textures. When you crank a modern game up to native 4K resolution, your graphics card desperately needs a massive pool of hyperfast memory. This is to load those high-fidelity textures onto your screen instantly without hitching, lagging, or popping. With 16 gigabytes of 30 GHz GDDR7 memory, you essentially have a massive, blazing fast, multi-lane highway for all of your game data. You can confidently slide every single graphics setting in the menu to Ultra, turn on maximum path traced ray tracing, and this graphics card will simply laugh at the workload. Annoying pop-in textures and stuttering gameplay are now officially a thing of the past. Next, we absolutely have to talk about the physical connections and future-proofing. MSI has done an incredible job completely future-proofing the rear input-output panel of this graphics card. If you are investing your hard-earned money into a premium, enthusiast-grade GPU like the RTX 5080, you are more than likely looking to pair it with a top-tier, high refresh rate gaming monitor, or perhaps even an immersive multi-monitor battle station. On the rear video output interface of the SUPRIM SOC, you are getting an incredibly robust layout that leaves nothing to be desired. We are looking at 3 DisplayPort 2.1a connections alongside one HDMI 2.1b connection. This is an absolutely massive deal for display technology. The inclusion of DisplayPort 2.1a provides an insane amount of data bandwidth, fully unlocking the true capabilities of the next generation of high-end monitors. In fact, thanks to these advanced ports, this graphics card natively supports a maximum display resolution of 7680 by 4320. That is true, uncompressed 8K resolution, ladies and gentlemen. Now, while 8K gaming might still be in its early adoption stages, having a card that natively supports this massive resolution across multiple ports means your desktop PC is absolutely ready for whatever the monitor market throws at it for the next 5 to 10 years. Whether you want to run a beautiful 4K OLED display at a blistering 240Hz, or you want to power a massive super ultra-wide display for immersive simulation games, the DisplayPort 2.1a and HDMI 2.1b connections ensure that you will have absolutely zero bottlenecks between your graphics card and your screen. And of course, to ensure all of this massive amount of data communicates flawlessly and instantly with your compatible desktop, this card utilizes the standard PCI Express X16 graphics card interface. Just make sure your system has a modern PCIe slot ready to accommodate this beast, so you can squeeze every single drop of graphical performance out of it. To wrap all of this up, the MSI Gaming RTX 5080 SUPRIM SOC is nothing short of a modern technological marvel. NVIDIA's brand new Blackwell architecture, combined with incredibly fast 30 GHz GDDR7 memory and an extreme 2760 MHz core clock, has completely pushed the boundaries of what was possible. In consumer desktop graphics, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. The strategic inclusion of DisplayPort 2.1a and native support for stunning 8K resolutions. This graphics card is not just built to dominate today's most demanding games. It is heavily over-engineered to dominate the games of tomorrow. If you are a hardcore PC gamer who demands the absolute best, or a professional creator who needs massive compute power to render complex scenes in record time, this is the exact hardware upgrade you have been waiting for. If you are ready to take the leap and experience this jaw-dropping level of extreme performance, please do not forget to check out the affiliate link in the description below. Buying through that Amazon link is completely safe and guarantees you are getting the exact SUPRIM SOC model, with fast shipping, and it directly supports the channel so I can keep buying hardware and making these deep dive reviews for you guys. If you found this video helpful or informative today, please do me a massive favor and smash that like button. It really helps push the video out in the YouTube algorithm so other builders can find it. Also, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you absolutely do not miss my upcoming PC build guides and rigorous benchmark tests where we will put this exact RTX 5080 through its paces. Drop a comment below and let me know, what is the very first game you would boot up? If you installed this 16GB monster into your PC today, I read through all your comments, and I cannot wait to hear your thoughts on this incredible GPU. Thank you all so much for watching today, and I will see you in the next video.